You are now watching Doorbell News.
A neighbor shared this footage of a fox that was in our backyard. Such a cute fox. Las Vegas, Nevada. We've been getting a lot of dash cam footage sent in to us lately. Here's one of them. These guys think they're the Fast and Furious or something. Alameda, California. Check her out. Got a snooper, a peeper here or something. She's looking in this neighbor's window. A neighbor shared this footage after 3 masked men were seen creeping in their backyard and attempting to gain entry to their home. Yeah, this is pretty creepy. Better keep those doors locked. Get lost! Bronx, New York. Check her out. I think she's been catfished. Bronx, New York. A neighbor shared this footage after an NYPD officer was seen covering up her doorbell camera with a piece of tape. I mean, you have the right to tape stuff that's going on outside of your home. I don't know why this guy decided to put some tape over her camera. Bossier City, Louisiana. So this DoorDash delivery lady was delivering some Church's chicken or some KFC or something. But she decided to take the chicken out of the order and leave the side orders. So she left the mac and cheese and the mashed potatoes and the corn, but there was no chicken. Yeah, that's why she got that smirk on her face. Hey, where's my chicken, lady? Tucson, Arizona. A neighbor shared this ring cam footage after a bighorn sheep was seen in their backyard. Yeah, that's a healthy one. Chicago, Illinois. This guy stops by someone's house at 2 a.m. with an odd request, with a very odd request.
Hey, baby. I'm here to eat some. Where's the to be eaten? Because I'm definitely here to eat it. You got any in the egg? You got any in the egg? Good morning.
Get lost! Albany, New York. We got a fence jumper here. Spokane, Washington. Spokane police released this footage of an accident that happened after a suspect decided to flee. New York, New York. It's 1 a.m. This guy just decides to just walk inside of the wrong house. Yeah, that's why you better keep those doors locked.
Hey, no? Hey, close. Yeah, close up.
No, that's ours. You can have it.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, that's
Yeah, close. You're coming.
no.
Meanwhile, in Alameda, this lady's back. She's looking kind of tweaky. A neighbor in London sent us this footage of a guy who came by with a helmet on demanding their car keys. Let's see what happens.
Hello?
The red car out sent me.
Sorry?
The key for the red car out sent me.
Say that again?
I need the car for the red.
Sorry, could you say that again?
The key for the red car. Al sent me to get it. The one that keyed it up.
You're coming to get it.
What?
What did you say about the red car?
The key car. Al is coming to collect it, and I've come to collect the keys to take it away.
Which car?
The red one.
You've come to take it away?
Yes. Otherwise he's coming to take the
What?
door.
Sorry?
Otherwise he's coming and he's going to kick your door off.
Okay, hold on a minute.
Just the key for the red one.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hassan?
Yeah, 1 minute. Literally.
Hassan? There's someone at the door.
Otherwise he'll be coming for a lot more.
Sorry. Why are you coming to take the car?
I need to take it somewhere, otherwise he's coming to take his money.
Hello, who's this?
What?
Who's this?
I'm coming for Al. That's all you need to know.
Huh?
I'm here for Al.
Who is this?
Don't matter who he is. He gives me the key on
I'll
there.
do my thing, I'm coming. I'm coming, mate. I'm f***ing coming now.
Sweet.
Right?
Get lost!
Al. Yeah.
Phoenix, Arizona. Check this guy out. Looks like he's tweaking too. Get lost! Evergreen Park, Illinois. This next door neighbor obviously has some sort of issue. She's ringing the doorbell at 1:39 a.m.
Leave a message. You can do it now.
Well, if you don't want me to call the police, you better turn that son of a bitchin' thing off. Who's there?
Meanwhile, in the Bronx. Yeah, I think she's definitely been catfished.
Hello?
They're all staying with me at the present, so if you'd like to question them, you might have to visit me.
Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.